Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel, Dana Be Live. This is Max, my husband. So today, actually, I'm gonna talk about the good things, them. Yes, Ray, talk about the good things, them. Ray, come on, talk about the good things, them. See, I cut up him 10 you now.
It's not 10, it's a 20.
Okay, so, alright, guys. Today we have a topic where we want to talk about. You bring your topic. Alright, so we're gonna have no. Welcome to the purple chair. This is good, not purple chair. Welcome to our pink chair. This is
No, not our pink chair. Your pink chair. The chairs are there.
no.
If me one in the chair, they're not gonna be pink.
Okay. Welcome to the pink chair. It's our chair. It's not mine. It's our chair. Welcome to the pink chair, but because pink have a girl, I guess that's why you wouldn't buy this chair, but because of pink. You would buy a blue chair or a black chair, right?
Or brown.
Or a
Favorite
brown chair.
color.
In favorite color. You hear that? Okay, guys, so what we want to do is do a series of discussions. So we're gonna have our videos every week, and every single, like maybe 3 days a week, we're gonna try to do Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday from now on, which is like a talk show, like what you call it now? Yeah, like a talk show. So when my husband will be having some discussion, and we're gonna get people involved, like, you know, people call in, and we're gonna have our days when I have
People go call in.
different topics. Yes,
That'll be live.
it can be live, but it don't have to be live. What I can do is, like, if people want to tell their story, like when we're going to record, they could reach out to me in my inbox, like on Facebook Messenger, and when we're going to record, I will tell them which day I'm going to record and what time, so they could call in and I could set up an appointment with them to talk their stories. So that is what this channel is going to mostly be about. We're gonna do a little daily vlog, so we can upload that maybe on Tuesday or Thursday, Saturdays, and which other day?
So what we're
Yeah.
gonna do every day?
But me and my husband is going to have these topics. We have a list of topics where we want to talk about. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so this is our first time explaining. So this is gonna be episode 1 of season 1. So if you're gonna watch this episode 1, then it's gonna be continue on different topics. So welcome to our channel, and today we definitely have something spicy for you.
Okay. I like spicy.
You like it hot.
Spicy. So run it then. Yeah.
Can you trust your best friend with your woman or with your man? Talk about that topic between me and you. How would is your friend? So how close would you want me to be with your friend?
Not close.
And explain why.
Why?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we wear shorts now.
Right.
You like, you know, when you wear shorts, mostly like show.
Right.
And you don't feel no way about it because you already have on a shorts.
Right.
If you have on a skirt, not as short as a shorts,
Right.
you don't make it, you don't want somebody to see on there.
Well, not
Like to see your leg, they not to see. The promised land, you know.
yeah.
Just to see. When you have on the shorts, the part of your leg were exposed.
Right.
When you have on a skirt, were longer than your shorts.
Right.
Or you don't feel for the same part of your leg a show when you have on the skirt. But the skirt longer than your shorts, you know.
Well,
Show yourself.
all right. Go ahead.
My virgin and my virgin. And not even my woman. If my woman I wear a skirt,
Right.
I don't want she to sit down, but I make my virgin see her leg.
Okay.
So that answer the question. You can, I mean, you can, me and my virgin, you can, I'm not going to say close to my virgin because I'm my virgin. Yeah, you know for close my virgin. Yeah, my virgin and my virgin. You are you. That you want a man see my woman leg much less.
Okay.
Close with my woman.
Okay, so you don't want your friend to be close with me. Not you don't even want him to even look at me legs there.
If you wear a shorts, no problem, because I'm done a show already. But if you wear a skirt, just try sit down good.
Because you don't want him to see my promised land.
Don't have the promise land. That if you the leg with it, like when you wear the shorts, you know, your leg a show.
Yeah.
If you wear a skirt,
Yeah.
we don't want you to sit down and make the amount of leg you show. We are showing now.
Okay. You feel, what does that
Jealousy.
make you feel? You feel jealous.
Yeah.
You don't want him to look for me too much.
No. I mean, I look for my virgin woman like that either. So when I don't like for myself, I not do it all that.
Gotcha. Alright, so for me now, I say, so for instance, we go on a trip, like a beach trip. I'm in a bikini and all them things. And your friend will look for me. How you would I feel?
It depends on which part of the beach you're there. Because if you come out of the water now and just walk over along on the beach, you go feel away. But if you're in and out of the water, I not feel away. You understand?
Really?
Yeah. Because if you're in and out of the water, you know, make no sense if as you when you come out, you wrap up and then you go back, you put that after and go back. But when you say you're out of the water, you're just up on the beach. You're just up on the beach. You're out of the water.
So when you say you don't want a man to look for your property?
Yeah, I mean, them can look, you know, but when they must see when they look, how far they must see.
Because I remember one time when we were there at Jamaica, me and you, and this guy, like, me and you did a walk, or I don't remember, but I remember what you said, and it stuck in my head. And when you said to me, when we say, I think we said to you, like, you see how the man I look at me, and you say, good, as long as you don't do anything, it make me know, said, my woman attractive, and I know me alone.
I know the downtown, I walk.
I think at downtown with it there.
Yeah, I must say, if you walk in front of me,
yeah,
what? I want to see the man in my loss.
So remember that story there. It in my head and you say all them can do a look as long as you don't feel like you tell me say as long as you don't feed into what them a do.
Let them imagine.
You know?
Think,
So that was something that me remember in my head what you said, but me don't quite remember the full story or is it me know so the guy that looked for me and whatever and you said that to me like I know me and you see, you know.
I like when man admire my woman and call to my woman out of the road.
But what is the difference? Like, them admire me, but you don't want your friend as your friend. But it's the same thing. Like, to me, it's the same thing.
You see my friend now? Alright. But I think I'm going to say friend. I'm going to say my virgin.
Yeah.
I'm a friend closer than virgin. I mean, I have no virgin who's so close to me. I mean, I refer him as my friend.
Right.
So I'm only a virgin. My virgin now. If you have a good little virgin, he might come and I can link me.
Right.
So chances are, him have the opportunity to see you in a yard look.
Right.
Because he might come on my yard, come link me.
I know me always looking a little dapper in my yard, like, you know, I have a little shorts, I'm a little skirt, I'm a little this, I'm a little that.
Yeah,
so
your yard look, you know, your husband, your kids, them and them, they see that way there. If you go to the road, or if you have certain visitor coming and you know you're way right, you're not going to make them see a certain way.
You dress up yourself.
Yeah, you fix up yourself. And
right.
So, the virgin, you have the opportunity to come and me, I can link me. So chances are you must see a certain way.
Right.
You know, so my virgin not to see my woman a certain way. Me alone to see that.
Okay. Get it, guys?
Me alone.
You get it? So
zero tolerance on that. Burn up that.
Well, for me, alright, so on my side now, the same question go for me.
Yeah. How far you allow your friend
for being around your partner?
Yeah.
Alright, for me, it's a trust thing. Because, you see, in depths, me like feel out the person that me with and me like get an understanding who the person that
you like your husband?
Yes, my husband.
But your husband, you already know your husband.
I already know my husband. I know
and you know your friend.
I know my friend.
So.
Exactly. So my point is that once me get to know the person that you are, and me can feel when people are fake and not genuine. So me know who you is. So because of that, me don't think about it that way there. Me don't think about my friend and my partner because me know who you are inside out. I mean, you
Yeah,
know,
but how
100.
far you allow the trust to what?
All right,
to,
so
to the deck.
so
the
like
deck.
like for instance
How far?
now, remember when me used to work and my friend come here and stay with we, you know, and my friend was home with you. Look how far that is,
How
because
far are you today?
exactly I wasn't there for days, and my friend would have did it for like a
Yeah,
day or
On
the
the
weekend.
weekend.
I mean, never did it because them time them would work out
And
and
when
so
your friend
forth.
come there for the weekend, she cook for me.
Yeah, I mean, I did it. So
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure, you say me did have a
So
level
we not
of
running in your
trust.
mind and
Yeah,
time.
nothing.
Anything at all?
No, me
Who
never.
you trust most?
Me they
at
trust
that
you.
point?
Me they trust you more because me been with you for so many years. I mean, me get to understand the kind of person you is and me know the limit where. Not saying, you know, me I gonna put me 100% confident in
We are
you.
all
You know,
human.
we are all human and we do make mistakes. But me know the kind of person you is over the years. Me take time for feed into the things them that me think you will do. And sometimes even when me try dry you out a little bit, me know deep down say when me I dry you out, it's just to test you, you know. Me know say like my guts tell me say you're not do certain things, but me will still maybe like say, you know, like
Say certain things.
say
to
certain
respond.
things to hear your response. Exactly, you say it clearly for me. So that is actually how me feel about this situation. Me not have much friend, as you know. Me talk to people, but me don't have a lot of friends who hold close to me. But that friend was one of that person, and me did just say, you know, she wouldn't blunder in other way there either. So 601 and half does not either. If you have your partner, you genuinely check for your partner and know say the partner they are them kind of person that then me never have to worry. Not one day it ever come across my mind. Like say, what if? Me not think that way
In
because
some cases,
you put burden upon yourself
when you think
thinking
certain
about them something there, and at that point me no want to think them something there. You live
because sometimes it's not a partner. Sometimes it's not a friend. It's not a partner. You know? The friend we have, like a woman or man situation. You allow your female friend around me. You know me, and
Right.
not expect certain things from me. You know your friend, and you not expect certain things from your friend, but your friend can surprise you. Me can
It's
surprise
true.
you too.
You can surprise me because, as I said, you are all human, and things can happen. And if me was away, and working, then you know nature call. People do make mistakes and people do things. But as I said, I never have my mind on them things. I don't want to put my mind on them things. So
If you put your mind on anything, you gotta start level can come on.
exactly, and it's just going to be on your mind and ride you all the time and all of that.
But then
So,
again,
me just want to be. Me always try to put my mindset in a way where I just want to be happy. If me even go in a sad moment, me don't want it to be too long, and me don't want to dwell on it for days. So it was just something when I try to work on over the years to make my mind be strong. And you helped me for that, so I thank you. Because everything me used to worry about, remember? When you just know me, everything me used to worry about. Like, I don't know, me used to be like my mother. Worry about everything. Now, my mind more sturdy and stable.
yeah, more confident.
More confident.
Worry.
And you know what? When you have a partner where they actually give you a whole heap of red flags, that can also your mind become. That can also when you have a partner that don't give you a lot of red flags, that can also make your mind be at peace. Because nobody don't want to be unhappy. Nobody don't want to be stressed out over unnecessary things. So if you have your partner and him give you that level of confidence, then you don't have to worry about certain things. It's so hard, really.
Yeah.
Stop do these things and be relaxed though.
Relax.
No, you're not.
You know me can't stay steady for long. I have to shift and move,
Yo.
just shuffle up.
Anyways, guys, this topic is coming to an end. And don't forget to like the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend about our channel. We're gonna have these topics every single week now. So tune in and like, share, subscribe if you don't already subscribe, and leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section. We have some hot topics for telling you guys, okay? Whole heap of hot topics. So now stay tuned and like the video.
Alright. Question. You will allow your husband to go sleep with a girl?
Hell no. Why would I do that?
There's something wrong, alright. Suppose say something wrong with you sexually. And it around all 2, 3 months, 4 months. And you can't have no sex.
No.
You can't have sex.
We are going to invest in some rubber dolly.
Suppose your husband don't want that. Or your partner don't want no rubber.
We are talking about there's
Rubber dolly.
no.
Alright, you say you introduce that to him. You're gonna introduce it to him and say you're gonna suggest it to him. And say, right. And he say, no sir, I'm gonna depend that. Which kind of rubber? Before me do rubber, I will go and wait. And then you wait him and wait and 2 months pass, 3 months pass, and nothing still can go on. And you go mention the rubber again, and him say, no rubber.
Well,
Just give me the permission to go to go.
Well, honestly, no. Not when me living with my husband. You see, in a case like this, and this is a topic we want to talk about. Remember when you did there Jamaica, and me did there Jamaica, and you there up here? We are going to talk about that topic. I don't want to give us so much. But you know, when things are going with you and and that you do. Jinal, park our carrier, and then have carrier drop her off, yeah.
Me know.
When me live at Jamaica and you live America, I remember, you know, them time they when body call and thing, and we used to talk on the phone, and me used to say to you, say, go get what you want. Me can't help you. You remember?
Mm-mm.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't lie. You remember?
No.
Oh my God. But your brain a go. Me remember. You know, me if you talk, me should I talk about that topic there. Me say, just don't love nobody. Don't fall in love with nobody. Me go take on this.
So me just ask if you don't make your husband you say no.
When me did that in Jamaica, me tell you.
Or because at the distance.
Yeah, because me not have no control over
So when
it.
you say me go do that no.
But if me and you live together,
What you do? When you give me permission to do that.
that's not the.
And I give me advice. What you do when your time comes.
No, mine is different. Mine is different.
Yeah. I'm
No.
still want to know where you
Yeah, me tell you all the time.
You please yourself.
Me I go take all these cards when I put it there.
You don't please yourself.
You have to do what you have to do. If you have your partner and you not have no choice, me not have a visa, me apply for
So
the
why you
visa,
never
me don't
advise
get
me
it.
to please myself?
You say you not do it. You say that will never, you would never do it.
Mm-hmm.
Me tell you over and over, and you say you can't do it. You say you can't do it. You cannot do it. You can't find yourself doing that. Some say you will cheat if you can't find yourself doing that. You know, remember remember me I used to depend on phone 16 hours a day?
No?
Yo! Sometimes 16 hours a day.
16 hours a day.
What you mean?
So you don't work, I'm in work.
Me work, but I have my earpiece in my ears and I get hot. Yo! Remember me tell you?
No.
Don't say no
In
lie.
America, you can't work with your phone. And use
Them
your
time
phone.
they never did that work. When we did that on the phone, them time there.
So them time
Me there work and me ear you in my ears. Me go home, me there work. Yo, whole time.
Nah, you don't.
Hours. No. That's the problem. Never annoyed. Never, not one day me ever feel like, oh my God, it's time. I come off the phone. Never.
Because sometimes, most of the time you are doing chatting though.
You talk too.
Yeah?
Yeah. A lot. You want to come blame me. Don't. You don't remember? Say God no.
Hmm?
No. You say God no. You don't remember?
What? remember what?
How much hours you used to spend on the phone? Even when you did over WAF and me there over my workplace, the whole day, like for hours you on the phone, see me, I'm on the time I work, I have the Bluetooth in my ears, and me I listen to you, and me I work at daytime. Hello? Stop messing with my brain, man. Cut out the foolishness. Yeah, remember?
No, sir. No, not at all.
You gotta speak the truth before you come off of the call. This is not right.
You can't, for me, can't remember things that. Then I say I lied. Say we don't remember.
Yo! This is not happening.
Remember, I never said I lied until.
Come on, buddy.
I don't remember nothing. You can't blame me. And nature. A life. Nature of life.
That's not
sometimes
nice.
You remember things and sometimes you forget things.
You don't remember?
I'm not stress out my brain either. I used to see me there, I sit down and have to try. But you see my brain right at work.
Stop the lie.
Do a CT scan. I see my brain right at work.
Speak the truth before we come off of the call.
About what?
You never used to step on the phone with me for 16 hours when you're there here and me there in Jamaica. The whole day until we're ready for go sleep. You know, come off.
16 hours, 3/4, 16 hours.
Hours.
That's a
We're
3/4
getting
of the
at
day, you know.
16, but it was so long, like the whole day.
You know what that?
The whole day. Of course. The whole day.
Here I am again. Thank God, you know. You hold up your hands and I'm going to say, like, wait, something off about. And when you touch that, the way the arm come down, and the
Yeah, me used to really afraid of my arm so bad. Oh my God. Me still afraid of it, but not so bad. Me don't want you to play with me, you know, because I'm afraid of my arm, you know. So don't play with me with it, you know.
That'll be your arm, I'm afraid of.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Can't bother. Okay, so how long we used to talk when we used to?
You just stress man up all day.
Yeah.
Just stress you out.
How long? What's the longest you remember we used to talk?
About an hour.
1 o'clock. Sure. Yeah, I mess with my brain now, man. Yeah, no.
Remember?
Come on, man. Beat you up, you know.
Take time with me, you know.
Come on, tell me, how long we used to talk? Talk, speak the truth.
How long?
Yeah.
How long is a Chinaman?
I don't know. How long we used to talk?
You don't know?
No.
How long is a Chinaman?
I don't know. Speak the truth.
Yes. Yes, how long is a Chinaman? His father, how long?
Oh, yeah.
You know,
No.
he's a Chinaman.
Speak the truth. How long we used to talk? Well, you can't remember. How long we used to talk?
How long we used to talk?
On the phone.
Before we have sex?
Yeah, bomba.
Sorry. How long we used to talk? Hold on.
Yeah,
how long we used to talk?
How long we used to talk on the phone?
Like the longest to stay on one phone call?
Yeah.
Me can't remember right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, half hour.
Man, stop telling truth. Man, just stop telling lying, no, man. Show, man. Switching in the gun, man. Just stop it lying, no, man. Me done. It a judge out the video too much, man.
Oh. You want me to lie?
You don't want to tell nobody say you used to talk to me long? Eh? You don't want to tell nobody say you used to talk to me long?
If me don't want to tell nobody.
You used to waste your whole day and talk to me.
Me will say it, yes. If you want to lie.
We not laugh. You know what? You don't want to tell nobody. Say you used to waste your whole day and talk to me on the phone. Speak the truth.
If we don't want to tell nobody.
Yeah. You don't want to tell nobody say you used to waste your whole day and talk to me on the phone.
Me telling nobody when I remember.
Stop lying.
We don't remember.
Stop lying.
So we don't remember. We have a shot to remember.
Oh my God.
You know, so me don't remember nothing going yesterday.
Stop it and stop calling them something for yourself.
What me I call them for myself?
But you don't remember nothing happened yesterday.
Then, if me don't
Yesterday
remember,
was Saturday.
oh, yesterday was. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yesterday was Saturday, yeah. And?
It's that bad? You remember I go? What me I gonna do with you? If you can't remember the past and the fun and all of them someday, what are the memories that we're going to have? That when we hold and I walk with stick, we can't remember nothing. We just a live so? Hey!
You not gonna can't remember nothing either.
No, me can't remember my brain sharp.
Then you all you do, you just remember and tell me.
No.
If you're lying, I don't know.
No. Talk to me. I have a whole heap now for the edit out of this video because you enjoy it out of their foolishness.
Alright, yeah, remember. Remember?
You don't remember sure.
You said that. We didn't tell us somebody to remember, you know.
Yo!
I never believe. I said, no, you come say it. 7 November. That's it.
You really don't remember for sure? I'm done. Bye.
Done with me.